Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to understand the pairs that we are going to trade. You cannot expect to trade successfully and really master a pair if you don't know what the pair is made out of, what moves the pair, why it moves the way that it moves. These are important things. It's like when you date someone, right? You're not going to date someone or marry them or choose them if you don't know what they like or what they dislike or what moves them or what pushes them away. And that is why this is so important. So we're going to start off with German 40, also known as DAX. Now this is a European based stock exchange. It's the 40 largest public listed companies, based mainly out of Germany and some of the smaller European countries, right? So this is a pair that is heavily influenced by the strength of the euro, but also draws to the strength of the global economy, and indices like Nasdaq. So, for instance, if things are going well within the Nasdaq, a pair like German 40 would most of the time follow what Nasdaq is doing. Then we obviously have Nasdaq. We know it's the top 100 tech companies in the States. We know that we need to look at the strength of the economies, inflation, interest rates, and also how these public companies are trading and how well they are doing. And then lastly, for our pair, we have XAU US dollar. So this is gold traded against the dollar as a base and major currency. Know that dollar is the most recognized currency globally, and it's a very hands-on currency, meaning that everything moves with the dollar, right? That's one of the most exchanged currencies in the world. Gold is often looked at as a safe haven, but as we saw in the wars and everything that happened, money does not necessarily flow to gold in times of uncertainty. There's a lot of factors, and that's why it's so key to understand and keep to your structure, keep to your market analysis, and don't just go based on sentiment. But overall, all in all, gold trades against the dollar. So if the dollar does weaken, we could expect gold to increase, and vice versa. If the dollar is increasing, we could potentially see gold decreasing and people moving gold to other assets globally. So now that you understand your currencies that you're trading, sweet and short, let's get straight to business and jump into some technicals. I'll see you guys in the next video.